Okay, now I'm here back to the beginning. Yes, this is my first try or attempt, how we call it, right? To rebuild our Ozzy's throne. Look at that. So I hope you guys are going to be following me in the reconstruction of such a very historical item of our times in our era, which is the important, uh, yes, the throne for our Prince of Darkness. So yes, I've been working with this for quite like 10 minutes, and as you can see here, there is the history that it's going to be like reconstructed in this way with a time lapse. Okay, that I can show you. I want to take the reflection off. So flat. Yes, this way. So you can see how I've been constructing this thing, sort of a time lapse. You will see how all these little shapes and lines have been designed. Perhaps I went back to the whole story again. No. Yeah, it's over. Whatever it is. Yeah. So this is like, I'm going to explain you how I've been modeling these things. But for the first raw, I've been using this shape tool, custom ink, and designing all these little details that were here in this way in the front, as you can see here, some lines this way. Okay, that's for me to understand how it's going. But since this is just a two-dimension image, I have to wonder and to figure out how is the profile of this thing. So yeah, I started using a couple of cubes, like, okay, to start watching that thing. But at the same time, I can take this from here and let's say that this is the skull, where the skull is. So I can say that this is the first this is what I've been doing. So as far as I see, with this, it's going to be like in the beginning and at the end of the straw, or the path is going to be like a soft thin, so you see, give some expression to it. So you're not having the just, when you call the straight lines, as you can see, there is a whole like see, I'm writing also drawing the other side too. So this thing here is going to be like over here in the end, because it's going to be like a little bit more up, perhaps. Yeah, it's a matter of taking the right perspective out of it, but let's say that this way could work a little bit. So can figure out that this something like this it's gonna be like curved. Okay, you got sort of a thing here. All right, then of course putting this thing here like back and trying to understand how the rest of the thing is going. So let's see what you think about it, and yeah, follow me for more stuff.